Hello, I am Fatima Razana. This is my JavaScript ES6 course, homework assignment number 18. This homework is to create a standalone web page to show users' current location and get the direction to the nearest library and display it on Google Map. So in this application there are two files. First one, the HTML file. In the HTML file there's a button to get the direction and retrieve the map, a paragraph tag to display any error messages, and div tag to display the Google Map. This file has inline styles for HTML elements and a script file. The script file, first we need to get an API key from Google Developer Console. Then enable Google Geocoding API and Maps Embed API. Create a project in Google Developer Console and get the API key. Copy, paste here. So let's walk through the script file. So in this script, the first API key variable declared with const. This variable holds the value of the API key. Then we have DOM elements, and there's a function to display message and clear message. Display message function takes message, a text argument, and a class name, and this text passed to the paragraph tag and CSS classes added to the paragraph tag. Clear message removes the paragraph tag message and removes the class. Get geolocation function first invoke display message with loading, and next check for geolocation API support in the browser. If it doesn't support, display an error message on the console. If it supports, first we get the current position of the user. From the position, retrieve the latitude and longitude values and assign that to lat_long variable. It is declared with const keyword. This lat_long value passed to the geocode API URL with the API key, and next we get the city, country and place ID by calling to geocode API. Here fetch API syntax used. Uh, we send a request to this URL, fetch the data, get the JSON data. If data empty, then we have a try catch block. In the try catch block, if data empty, it will display an error message. That error message is catched and displayed on the console. From this retrieved data, we extract compound underscore code and place ID. Here ES6 destructuring syntax used to get the values. From compound underscore code, extract the city and country value and concat with plus sign and assign that value to query variable. This value is used to retrieve the map. To get the map, we take the directions URL of the map and pass API key, place ID, that is the original position of the user location, and the destination, the library with the query string. Next, create a div tag. For this div tag, set the ID attribute map, value is map, and in iframe tag, we pass the URL of the map. This iframe pass to div tag and append that div tag to the location div. Before appending the map, first we check whether there are any maps on the given tag, given div tag. If there are any, remove the child node. And after appending the map to the location div tag, clear the messages. Okay. So if any error found when fetching this data, it is displayed as unable to retrieve your location. Okay. And this button has a click event which calls back getDirection function. GetDirection function calls getGeolocation function. Let's see how this application works. This is the application. Uh, Reload the page. Click on Get Direction button. Task for permission allow. You can see the map and the library and the direction. Okay. So if we block and reload Get Direction, it shows unable to retrieve your location. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.